Well, viewers, big breaking news coming in from the Parliament. The Immigration and Foreigners Bill 2025 has been introduced by Union Minister Nityanand Rai. There's going to be a discussion on it, viewers, next week. 6 hours have been allocated for discussion on this particular bill. Remember, viewers, it's a very important bill. This was initially to be introduced by Union Home Minister Amit Shah, but he was not there in the Parliament as owing to a crucial visit in Assam, following which Union Minister for Home MOS Nityanand Rai has tabled this bill. 6 hours allocated for discussion. This will happen next week, but this is a very crucial bill as this will decide as to regulations that are meant for coming in and exiting India. Viewers.
Right now? Yeah.
मैं माननीय गृह मंत्री श्री अमित शाह जी की ओर से प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि भारत में प्रवेश करने वाले और उससे निकास करने वाले व्यक्तियों की बाबत पासपोर्ट या अन्य यात्रा दस्तावेजों की अपेक्षा का उपबंध करने के लिए केंद्रीय सरकार को कतिपय शक्तियां प्रदान करने और वीज़ा तथा रजिस्ट्रीकरण की अपेक्षा सहित विदेशियों से संबंधित मामलों को भी नियमित करने के लिए तथा उनसे संसक्त या उनसे अनुषंगिक विषयों का उपबंध करने वाले विधेयक को पुनः स्थापित करने की अनुमति दी जाए।
That was the Immigration and Foreign. All right, so there you heard Nityanand Rai. My colleague Harsha joins the live and broadcast from the Parliament. Harsha, well, this is of course a very crucial bill, and powers would enable the government to regulate the requirement of passports and other valid travel documents, and of course goes in line with the centre's agenda to crack down on the illegals.
To tell you precisely, Rakshita, that there's a very important bill which has been tabled today by the MOS Nityanand Rai in the Lok Sabha. We have got to know that's a very important bill as far as the illegal infiltration is concerned in our country from several borders. And therefore, the detailed discussion in the parliament will happen on this bill. What we've got to know through the minister only, that this week, there will be no discussion on this bill. Next week after Holi, when the parliament will again resume, during that time, there will be a discussion in Lok Sabha on this bill. But right now, we don't know whether this bill will pass this time in this session only, or whether it will be sent to any standing committee or the committee for further discussion, because it all depends on the discussion which will take place in Lok Sabha on the infiltration and the immigration. So we have to wait and watch for next week what exactly discussion will look like. But yes, there's a very important bill, and finally it has been introduced in the House of the People today by Nityanand Rai. Back to you.
Right, sir. Thanks so much, Harsha, for joining us with those details coming in. In fact, Harsha, I would like you to tell us more about the bill that has been introduced now, as it aims to, consolidate the immigration law. It is going to cover very crucial aspects like the visa norms, etc., the protocol for registration as well. So if you could tell us more details, what changes could be brought in?
So, Rakshita, there will be several changes. Now, the people who will be entering the country, there will be a proper identification, and the identity proof they will have to submit along with a passport. Also, if someone is entering illegal in our country, and if they are suspected to enter illegally without any documentation, there's an imprisonment and the fine of also from 5 years to 5 lakh rupees. This is the very stringent thing which will be implemented in the law. There's going to be also notification which will be sent out to all the state and the borders regarding the infiltration. Anyone found to entering our country illegally without proper documentation will be sent back immediately, and also case will be also registered against them. And also, if anyone who's coming from other country to our country, the proper time duration will be set, and after that time duration, the person has to immediately exit the country. If not done so, there again will be the stringent action in the law which will be given in this bill only. So we can clearly say that to stop complete infiltration in our country, this is a very important bill which will come into enforce, which we can see coming into enforce by this year only. Back to you.